Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's topic is electric welding, unit number 3 in utilization of electrical energy. So first of all, these are the contents, that is the introduction, advantages of electric welding, types of electric welding, electric resistance welding, types of electric resistance welding, that are the spot welding machine and seam welding, and the advantages and disadvantages of resistance welding. So this is the 1.1. So introduction. What is the electric welding? Welding is nothing but a process. It is a process of joining similar metals by application of heat, with or without application of pressure and addition of filler material. It is very simple and easy to understand. Welding means what? It is a process of joining similar metals by application of heat, with or without application of pressure and addition of filler material. सो ये हिंदी में बताने की कोई नीड नहीं है. अगर ये समझ में ना आए तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर देना. सो this is a very simple definition. Next is advantages of electric welding. It requires less time for welding, means it requires a less time. Second is control of current or welding time is more accurate, means control of current or welding time is more accurate. And third is more homogeneous and uniform weld is obtained. And fourth is properties of weld and joining material are same, means for welding the material for joining is same. And fifth is provides more cleanliness, and it provides a more cleanliness. These are the advantages of electric welding. अगर आपको कोई डिफ़िकल्टी है ये समझने में तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके आप पूछ सकते हैं. These are the types of electric welding. It is also the simple to understand the types of electric welding. So the first of all, it is classified into three group. It is divided into three type. First is the electric resistance welding, second is electric arc welding, and third is electric beam welding. So the first electric resistance welding is also categorized into five type. First is the spot welding, second is the seam welding, third is the percussion welding, fifth is the butt welding, and fourth is the butt welding, and fifth is the projection welding. These are the types of electric resistance welding. Second is electric arc welding. So electric arc welding is categorized into two type: bare metal welding and shielded metal welding. So shielded metal welding is also categorized into four type: coated electrode welding, submerged arc welding, inert gas shielding, and hydrogen shielding. So these are the classification of electric welding. Mainly electric welding are classified as plastic welding and fusion welding. These are explained. And third is the electric resistance welding, fourth is electric arc welding, and fifth is electric beam welding. So plastic welding means what? In plastic welding, the piece of metal to be joined are heated to a plastic state and then forced together to an external pressure. Second is fusion welding. In the fusion welding, the material at the joint is heated to a molten. This is the fusion welding. Third is electric resistance welding, fourth is electric arc welding, and fifth is electric beam welding. So this is the electric resistance welding. In resistance, welding two material which are to be welded are joined together and electric supply is given to the material. Current flows through the junction of this material. Heat is generated at the junction point by the resistance offered to flow of current obtained. So this is the diagram of electric resistance welding. First the depression left by electrode, and these are the two electrodes and the weld area. This is the diagram of electric resistance welding. In electric resistance welding, two materials which are to be welded or joined together and electric supply is given to the material. Means in these two materials are electrically joined and they give the electric supply, and to this give the electric supply, and current flows through this junction. Means in that junction current is flow this material, and heat is generated at the junction, and after the flowing of current there is a generation of heat, and the junction point by the resistance offered to flow the current obtained. So this is the electric resistance welding and the types of electric resistance welding. First is the spot welding, second is the projection welding, third is the seam welding, and fourth is the butt welding. Butt welding is also classified into two types: offset butt welding and flash butt welding. Last is percussion welding. So spot welding means what? The above figure means this figure shows the construction of spot welding. In this, welding power supply, electrode, workpiece, force, welding current, and nugget. So the working of spot welding. In spot welding, the pieces which has to be joined are placed together by mechanical pressure which is exerted by the electrode. Means in the spot welding, remember we use the mechanical pressure, then supply is switched on for a particular period. Next is passage of current generates the heat at their junction, that is between electrode and workpiece, and one between two pieces. So spot welding machine is used to obtain good joints by using welding machine. The welding operation becomes independent of the operator. Once the welding current, pressure and timing is set to the machine, it executes all the work. So this is the spot welding machines. These are the pictures of spot welding machines. Next is seam welding. In seam welding, the pieces which is to be welded is placed between two wheels which apply sufficient mechanical pressure and also carry sufficient current for producing continuous weld. Means seam welding, what is we understand or what is we remember, means seam welding, it is a name that is related to the two wheels. Means seam welding, in the seam welding we use the two wheels. This is the diagram. Upper electrode wheel and the lower electrode wheel. Then the welded metal sheets and AC power supply is given to the wheel, and then it is weld. Application of seam beam are welding pipes, conduits, transformers, containers and aircrafts. So this is the about seam welding. Next is the advantages of electric resistance welding. First of all, we see the electric resistance welding, and now the advantages of electric resistance welding. In electric resistance welding, there is no need to use any flux or filler metal to join the pieces. Means in the resistance welding we use the heat. In second is electric resistance welding is a quick and easy process. Means it is a very less time required, and it is a easy process. So the some disadvantages of electric resistance welding. First, the size and shape of electrodes will determines the size and strength of welding. Second, the joint forms only at the spot where the electrodes are in contact with the metal. Means the joints forms only at the spot where the electrodes are in contact with metal. Means electrodes are in contact with metal, that place form the joints. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of electric resistance welding. So these some questions that are usually asked in question paper. So the First is define of electric welding. Second is list 6 factors deciding selection. These are not important for us. So thank you.